Morning students, last class we discussed a few problems. Okay, today we will discuss still more models. In word problems only we have remaining problems to say here. Ages problem. The ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages is the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Okay. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? Okay, this is different problem, ages problem. For every model we are discussing one problem. Okay, this is ages problem. See what they given first of all. What they given, after that which lag we should do that problem we will see. The ages of Rahul and Arun, the given ratio, the ages of Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5:7. They given ages of ratio of their ages. 4 years later means after 4 years. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. After 4 years, their two ages adding means we will get 56 years. Then we should find their present ages. Okay. Solution. Let given the ratio of ages of Rahul and Arun is equal, the ratio is 5:7. The ratio is 5:7. Let their present ages is equal to, we don't know their present ages, but we are taking their present ages using the ratio 5x and 7x. 5x and 7x. Their present ages, they given here 4 years later. 4 years later, their ages is equal. Later, see, for example, anybody calling which like we are saying, I will call later, means after, I will call after. See, after 4 years, 5x plus 4 Rahul wants 5x. 5x plus 4, comma, Arun wants 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. And the two ages after 4 years adding means these two value, age sum is 56. So according to the problem, their ages, Rahul wants, Arun wants, both adding means 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal 56. 5x plus 7x, these are variables. 12x. 12x, 4 plus 4, 8 is equal 56. 12x is equal 56 minus, why plus value they are going means minus 56 minus 8. 12x is equal 56 minus 8, 48. Okay, 46, 48. 56 minus 8, 48. Next, here multiplication, they are going means by. X is equal 48 by 12. Possible cancellation. 12 1 jar, 12 4 jar. X is equal 4 years. X is equal 4 years. We got x is equal to 4 years. Okay. And we want their present ages. We want their present ages. What they are asking? What are their present ages? Their present ages we took here. Let their present ages 5x, 7x. 5x Rahul wants the present age of Rahul. Therefore, the present age of Rahul. The present age of Rahul. Rahul present age 5x. 5x, we know x value here. X is equal to 4 years. So 5x is equal to 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20 years. 5 4s are 20 years. Like that only the present age of Arun. 7x. 7x is equal 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. They given 56. After 4 years. 4 years later. So 4 plus 4. Here also 4. 20 plus 4. 20. After 4 years means 24. This is Rahul wants. Arun wants 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Both adding means 56. In that problem they given. After 4 years, their ages will be 56 years. Okay. We will discuss one more model here. The number of boys and girls, the number of boys and girls, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. 7:5. The number of boys is the number of boys is 8 more than is 8 more than 8 more than the number of girls. The number of girls. Now what they are asking, what are their present ages? What are their what is the total class? What is the total class strength? Okay, say what they given here. The number of boys and girls, they given ratio. Boys and girls ratio is 7:5. Means boys first. So boys ratio is 7, girls ratio is 5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of girls, how many are there? We don't know. Number of boys, how many are there? We don't know. But they given one small clue. The clue is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of girls, how many will be? 8 more than 8 boys are more than number of girls. Okay, then we should find total strength. Given the ratio of boys and girls is equal 7:5. Next, they given small clue. Number of girls we don't know, number of boys also we don't know. Boys is equal to 7x. Okay, what they are saying, see, number of boys 7x, is equal to number of girls plus 8. Actually, for example, 10 boys are there. 10 boys is equal 8 girls are there. Boys how many? 10. Girls how many? 8. So boys 2 more are there. But we want here equality. Equal we want. Then how many more are there? 2 more are there. So that 2 here adding means so. Then we will get LHS is equal to RHS. How many more boys will be? Add that same that side, then equality will be. Same like that only. Here also they given 8 boys. Number of boys 8 more than number of girls. So here we added 8. Then equality will be. 5x here coming means minus 5x. 7x minus 5x is equal 8. 7x minus 5x 2x. 2x is equal to 8. Here multiplication they are going means by. X is equal 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 jar. X is equal to 4. Then we want number of boys, number of girls. Number of boys 7x is equal 7 into 4 is equal 28. Like that only number of girls 5x is equal 5 into 4 20. 5 into 4 20. We want to class strength total means boys girls both adding means we will get strength total class strength. Total class strength 28 plus 20 is equal 48. Okay, these are the models ratio. One more model we'll discuss. Ratio models. We discussed some applications regarding one variable. Next class we will discuss two same only. See, for us came here x plus 4 is equal to 8 means only in LHS only came variable. Next class we will discuss both side variable problems. Okay, thank you.